In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best network-attached storage in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. If you're looking at something that will survive past the first years of a growing business, the DS1621 Plus is a fantastic choice. This NAS is both highly reliable and expandable to a significant extent. Not only can it support a healthy maximum of 32 GB of memory, but it moves away from non-ECC memory. ECC, or error-correcting code memory, is used in servers and increases resilience by protecting the data it caches. Aside from the massive storage capacity it can hold, the DS1621 Plus can use Synology expansion modules. It stacks with dual DX517 units to offer a total of 16 drive bays, enough storage that small offices will likely never need another upgrade, ever. While the DS1621 Plus is a bit much for home use, it would be the perfect model for most small offices. Scalability and high cache potential will assure this. Number 4. A NAS provides a central location for all your devices to access your media library, and the QNAP TS253D is designed specifically with streaming in mind. This NAS device avoids a big networking bottleneck by offering dual 2.5 GB Ethernet ports, so it should have more than enough throughput to hold up even if multiple people are trying to access those large media files. You can also set the QNAP TS253D up next to your TV, as it has a 4K capable HDMI output built in. The QNAP TS253D provides two 3.5-inch drive bays you can load up with tons of storage, 32 TB total, while an additional Gen 2 slot brings the possibility of some fast caching or quicker network speeds. Powering this NAS is an Intel Celeron J4125 quad-core processor with 4 GB of DDR4 memory to keep it running smoothly. Between its hardware and the Plex integration, you're even ready for smooth 4K video streams with hardware transcoding. Number 3. 420 Plus is a much more robust alternative to the DS220J. It is a 4-bay model that also comes with more powerful hardware. The Celeron J processor may not be the fastest around, but considerably competent when used in NAS. Aside from what comes out of the box, the DS420 Plus is upgradable in a couple of ways. If necessary, you can bump up the RAM to 6 GB. That's enough to give you a large cache buffer if you want a cheaper alternative to using expensive NVMe for that purpose. If you intend to put the DS420 Plus to heavy use, though, the dual NVMe slots will come in useful. Slap on 2 sticks of NVMe drives, and your NAS will be able to handle simultaneous read and write operations for an entire small office. Number 2. The DS220J is a very compact 2-bay NAS that comes with very little in the way of frills. While the limited hardware can drive functions such as media streaming, the DS220J may struggle to serve multiple streams of high-definition content. Yet the stripped-down configuration of this NAS unit does come with several advantages, chief among them is comparably lower cost. That makes it a fantastic choice for those whose primary concern is simply data redundancy. The small and unassuming size of this NAS comes with a neat yet functional design. It may look a little out of place in an office, but will blend perfectly with most homes. Number 1. Don't want to fool around with overly complex software or settle for simple hardware? The Synology DiskStation DS220 Plus gets you up and running with a highly capable but straightforward NAS. The DiskStation DS220 Plus features 2 drive bays, letting you up for increased storage, up to 32 TB depending on the drive you select, or a RAID 1 configuration to protect your data through redundancy. The 2 gigabit LAN ports allow for higher speeds with link aggregation or network failover support, though we wish there were a 2.5 gigabytes or 10 gigabytes LAN for an even quicker connection. Using this NAS is simple thanks to Synology's versatile apps and software. You can set it up for storing security camera footage, create a media server, or keep files and photos safe and accessible. Even if you want to transcode 4K media, quickly manage files, or smoothly stream videos, the DiskStation DS220 Plus is up to task with a powerful Intel Celeron J4025 2.0 GHz dual-core processor and 2 GB of DDR4 RAM built in. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.